Cordial greeting. Today the presentation DeFi video tutorial, the segmental and suprasegmental English phonetic by Laura Chavarro Muñoz, 2021. Index. Number 1. 3 symbols of the consonant sound. Number 2. The place and the manner of articulation. Number 3. The articulator of the vocal tract. The symbol in the complex sentence. Number 5. Pronunciation exercise. Number 6. Tense. 3 symbols of the consonant sound. The first symbol is thin, the pronunciation of this word. This symbol is unvoiced consonant. The pronunciation that this word is the tense and ding. Other symbol is z, z. The pronunciation of this word is sun, su. This symbol is voiced consonant. The pronunciation and this word is zero, and this word is zebra. And this symbol is sh, sh. The pronunciation of this word is she. This symbol is unvoiced consonant. The pronunciation that this word is chor, and this word is chow. The place and the manner of articulation. The th is dental. The z is alveolar. The sh is palatal alveolar. The 3 symbols are fricative. The air street then focuses its way through the narrow passage, thus leading to the occurrence of friction. This auditorily perceived friction in the releases of the air stream is what gives name to the sound produced in this manner. Examples are the articular of the vocal tract. The dental is upper teeth and teeth of the tongue. The alveolar is alveolar ridge and teeth blade of the tongue. The palatal alveolar, the blade or teeth of blade of the tongue come in contact with the alveolari. The symbol in the complex sentence. Thank you. The zebra is fat. Puppet show. Pronunciation exercise. Dental. The first word is nothing. The second health. Then method. Then alveolar. Scissor. Frozen. Lizard. Lazy. Laser. The palatal alveolar. Transcription. English. Shoulder. Worksheet. Sharing. The pronunciation of this symbol is this symbol is z, z. This symbol is sh, sh. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.